Good morning, folks. Hope y'all doing well today. Today is October 11th, 2025. As you can tell, I'm shaking a little bit. I just put another smack down on a big doe this morning. Ooh, man, I swear I shake worse when I shoot a doe than I do a buck. That feeling doesn't ever get old, I tell you what. And but yeah, been a good morning, and trying to get my stuff together here. Had that doe come in about 10 minutes ago. Come right down this logging road to me right there. I got a little bit of a green patch growing here. It's actually kind of going dead now because we really haven't had any rain. And they've been coming to that, eating some, and there's a bunch of acorns this year in this particular area. So they've been coming here, some here in the mornings and some in the evenings too. Oh goodness. Yeah, she came right on in. I put an air in her. She went on that way a little bit. I think I heard her go down, so we should be in good shape. We'll get down and take a look here in a little while. So y'all stay tuned, and thank you for watching. And give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you soon. I'll try to get my life together a little bit better. Good grief, I'm shaking. All right, well, I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit. So see y'all. All right, folks, I'm right here at the point of impact, and just got down, taking a look around. She was standing right here. You can kind of see a little kick up in the dirt right here. I don't see any blood yet, but I did stick her. She was quartering to me kind of hard. Looked like the air did not pass through, but it looks like it went in a little bit, so we should be good on that. But yeah, there's my stand right there. It's about 10 yards, and she ran that way, so I'm gonna ease on and look around. She should be down in that ditch. I think I heard her go down. There's a big ravine over that way, probably about 75 yards. Sound like she went down, so should be down in there somewhere. But got this little patch of winter rye planted. It's looking kind of pitiful, but they are coming to it still. But that got me a little mock scrape right there. Trying to get some bucks up in here coming through. We're a little thin on bucks this year for some reason. But everybody around us, I guess, been putting a hammer on them. So because of that, I'm doing a little doe patrol this year. So this was a good one to take. So start looking around. I'll see y'all here in a little bit. All right, we found that arrow. And the deer is actually right down yonder. All right. Good grief. That's a big doe. Yeah. Daggum. That is a big doe. Yep. Landed right there and come this way. Yep. Nice. Well, lay that right here. Well, that turned out good. Let's see if we get a few. Yeah, we go. Yeah, good deal. We got her. Well, thank y'all for tuning in today. We will get to work. So, I'll see y'all next time.